Who are you? What's your role? And who do you work for?
So my name is Ivan Pedrazas. I'm a principal engineer at Docker.
What are 3 Kubernetes emerging tools that you're keeping an eye on?
Timoni probably is the one that I'm most excited about. It's very different from what we've seen. Crossplane is the other one for all the platform engineering things. And last but not least, the CageGPT project is really interesting. It's trying to solve a problem that we have in Kubernetes, applying AI, which is something I've been doing for the last month, looking at AI and how AI can help us to be better.
One of our guests, Ori, shared that rushing into solutions without understanding the root cause can lead to fixing symptoms instead of the actual problem. He mentioned the case of network policies and how sometimes the root cause of a problem is a people problem, and the solution lies in addressing that. What is your experience with providing tooling and platforms on Kubernetes to other engineers? What are some of the soft challenges that you faced?
The biggest challenge that we face by far is knowledge or lack of expertise and complexity. The last month I've been basically doing research about complexity theory at Docker, particularly in the platform space. Right? It's like why it happens, number of elements, number of relationships, number of dependencies, number of constraints. All these things have a huge impact on increasing the complexity. And as you can see in the CNCF landscape, we have a lot of many things. Right? So it's how we can help to reduce the cognitive load, slightly different cognitive load from complexity, but how we can help teams to adopt and solve problems.
Another guest, Matthias, suggests that the best way to learn Kubernetes is by doing and getting your hands dirty. Then, he built his own bare metal Kubernetes cluster in his spare time. What's your strategy for learning new Kubernetes tools and features?
The best way of learning is by getting your hands dirty and breaking things. And once you get the frustration of why this thing does not work, usually it's a signal that like maybe you do not understand something, then you have to go and learn. And by learning, usually you start being more confident about the problem and the solutions. So yeah, doing.
Kubernetes is turning 10 years old this year. What should we expect in the next 10 years to come?
We always talk about Kubernetes being a framework where people should build things on top. I hope in the next 10 years, what we do is to turn Kubernetes into something invisible, and we focus more on all the things that we want to build on top. Talk more about the applications, talk less about all the plumbing underneath.
What's next for you?
We've been looking a lot about Gen AI and how Gen AI can help changing the way that we work and improving from the platform engineering DevOps space. We've been through all these changes. We got virtualization, we got Docker, we had Kubernetes. So I don't see Gen AI or AI as a threat. I see more as like a transformation. We're going to do much more, much faster. Really excited about that.
How can people get in touch with you?
Well, best way is Twitter. My handle is ipedrazas or ipedrazas. Nobody can pronounce my name, so I hope that you can write it and people can link it.